In this video, I'm going to show you how to move a Steam game from one hard drive to another. From the Steam app, go to the Steam menu on top, go to Settings, then Storage. You'll see all the games you have installed and the size information. At the top, you see the hard drive these games are installed on. Here, it's the main C drive in my computer. Now I'll click on the Add Drive, and it shows you an external drive I have attached as the D drive. You see it listed now underneath the main C drive. Now I'll select the game to move. I'll take WRC7, check the box, click Move, and then choose the drive you want to move it to. Here I'll move it to the D drive I added before. This might take a few minutes depending on the size of the game and the speed of your drives. I'll fast forward this part. And when it's done, click Close. Now you see it's gone from the C drive. When I change and select the D drive, you see it listed there. You can select it again, move it back, or uninstall it. And that's all you need to do to move a game to another drive. That's it for this video. I hope it helped, and thank you for watching.